To configure the launching options of Axxon Next, go to the Options tab. Then select the user interface from the list. The Logon Options window will appear on the right. The first option, Use as Operating System Shell, makes the Axxon Next launch automatically on computer startup, replacing the standard Windows shell. This option is used when you need to limit the use of computers running the digital video surveillance system. It prevents start of any other applications, copying or deleting files, working with the Windows system, and other unapproved actions. If you enable this option, the next time computer starts, Axxon Next will launch instead of the standard Windows shell. Note that this option is only available if user account control is disabled in the Windows settings. Axxon Next can be configured to automatically log out, in case of user inactivity for a specified period of time. To use this option, enter the duration of user inactivity, after which the client should log out. You can also set the period of user inactivity, after which the client application will lock. To unlock the client application, you will need to enter the user password in the appeared authorization window. To save the settings, click on the Apply button. It is also possible for the client to automatically connect to an Axxon Next servers. Select the automatic connection from the options list on the left. If you set up automatic connection, the next time Axxon Next client application is started, it will automatically connect to the selected servers with the specified user credentials. Follow the next steps to configure the automatic connection. Select the connection protocol from the list. TCP protocol is recommended for servers with a small amount of cameras. UDP unicast protocol is recommended for servers with many cameras, with a single client connected. UDP multicast protocol is designed for servers with many cameras, with a multiple clients connected. Select the server for automatic connection from the list, and enter the port for connecting to that server. Then enter the username and password, which will be used for the automatic connection. And click on the Add button. If you need to configure an automatic connection to a failover system, then click on the Discover Cluster checkbox. Enter the IP address of any cluster server in the Select Server field, and click the arrow button on the right. A list of nodes will appear, select any node from the list and click the Add button. Now we have 2 servers on the list, and one of them is a part of a failover system. To delete any server from the list, click on the Delete button. To save the changes, click on the Apply button. The next time Axxon Next client is started, it will automatically connect to the selected server, with the specified user credentials. It is also possible to configure a cross-system client connection, which means that a single Axxon Next client will automatically connect to multiple servers, from different Axxon systems. To use a cross-system client, add multiple servers to the list, by selecting each of them, specifying the port, and clicking on the Add button. When all servers are added to the list, it is needed to select the main server system, by clicking on the checkbox in the main column. When connecting, the client will use the parameters such as maps, layouts and user rights of the main Axxon system. Click on the Apply button, to save the cross-system client configuration. The cross-system client connection is now set up. That way you can access multiple independent surveillance systems simultaneously, even if they are not combined into one. All settings and cameras associated with these servers are consolidated in a single convenient view. Configuration of the Axxon Next client launching options is now complete.